Welcome to JATA, my dear junior advocates. Now, I want to say a few words about caveat petition. Caveat petition is having a provision of law, Appendix D1 under Order 52 under Section 148A of CPC, Civil Procedure Code. The caveat petition is normally filed by the caveator when he apprehends that any particular opposite party is going to file any suit or an application against him in the court of law. The knowledge about the apprehension can be through a legal notice or by a quarrel or by any other mode. So, based upon the knowledge directly or indirectly, the caveat petition can be filed in the court of law so that the opposite party who moves the court against the caveator will first serve the papers on the caveator and then only he can move the suit or the application concerned. The caveator has to first send the caveat copy to the opposite party and then he should file the caveat petition along with the postal booking slip. Then only the caveat will get numbered and the span of the caveat is 90 days. After the full turn of 90 days, the caveat will get expired and the new caveat has to be filed in case the opposite party doesn't file any application or a suit within 90 days. And the caveat will also apply for the appeals. That is, a party who has won the case in the lower court may apprehend the respondent that he may file an appeal against the impugned order. So, in such a way also the caveat is a must. Now, I want to explain how the caveat petition should be filled up. Here, you should put the name of the court and the region. And coming to the caveat petition number, you should leave it blank because it is going to be, the number is going to be allotted by the registry. And in this number indicates upon which you are preferring this caveat petition. So, the trial court case number or the lower appellate court number, you have to fill it up here with the year. Then, coming to the cause title aspect, you should fill up the name of the caveator versus the expected appellant's, petitioners or the respondent's name should be filled up here. Then, the petition has this standard language which says the above named caveator state as follows. The address of the caveator for service of notice within the jurisdiction of this honorable court is that of his or her counsel, Mr. or Mrs. That is, the wakalat will be filed along with the caveat stating the name of the counsel who is going to appear for the caveator. So, the name of the law firm has to be filled up here and the address of the expected appellants or petitioners or respondents here is, you have to fill the name of the expected opposite party and here let nothing be done in the above matter without notice served on the caveators. As already I told you that nothing will be done without a notice to the caveator. Then coming to the last aspect, the caveator above named undertake to file forthwith serve a notice on the caveat by registered post with acknowledgement due on the expected appellants, petitioners, respondents and file proof of such service. But even though the language says that it will be done and undertaken to be done, but normally we used to file the petition and immediately post the caveat copy on the expected opposite party. So, and file the postal slip. And coming to the end of this petition, the dated at the region on this is the date we should fill it up and the signature of the caveator and the counsel for the caveator should be filled up. And coming to the docket aspect, as we have seen in the petition, the particulars or the same have to be filled up here also. So, this is a caveat petition, and as usual we have to fill the counsel for the caveator, the particulars about the name and the roll number, etc. And here it is the address for service. Address for service is of the counsel. Since the opposite party, if he is going to serve copies, he should file the he should serve the copies on the address for service of the caveator's counsel.